Let's take a second to talk about a potential lawsuit and how you can possibly avoid it. Did you know that the state of Arizona has a law on their books that says if you are selling a piece of property, it is up to you, the seller, to disclose any information you know about that house, either while you owned the property or even information that you might have obtained from a previous seller when you bought the property. It's your responsibility to give all of that information to the buyer so that they can make sure that they have all the knowledge at their fingertips to decide if they want to finish going through with the purchase of that property. If you do not disclose any of that information that you are aware of or have knowledge of, you are setting yourself up for a potential lawsuit if it's found out after you close. There are some things that have to be disclosed, and there's some things that don't need to be disclosed. But in either case, the seller has to, by law, give that information to the buyer. Whether the buyer asks for it, whether you and the buyer decide that you don't need that information, it doesn't matter. The law says the seller will provide that information to the buyer, and you better have the paperwork to back it up in case you end up seeing a judge or in front of an attorney. So if you want more information on what you need to disclose and what you do not have to disclose, please don't hesitate to reach out to Mike or Gordon at the G&M team with Realty One Group. You can also email us at info@gnmteam. Look forward to talking to you, and we'll see you again in the future.